Today in math, we continued practicing using our try, discuss, connect routine. The first step is we try. So when we try, we have a problem. We try to understand the problem. What are we doing here? We're adding two numbers. Sometimes it's a word problem where we have to read the problem and understand if we're adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. So here we are adding two numbers. So we have students add them independently. Then they share their answers with me. Then I choose students to discuss and share how they solved their problem. Because there's multiple ways to solve a problem, especially an addition problem. There's multiple ways to do it. So they get a chance to teach their classmates. They also have an opportunity to think more about if they're not doing something right, if they're not quite understanding something. They have an opportunity to fill that gap and learn what they're missing. Then I will explicitly teach them how to solve this problem if they're struggling. Then after that, after we do our sample problem, we connect it and we do some practice problems. So they connect the strategies that they've learned to new problems. So when we're adding multiple digit numbers here, one strategy, like we've learned earlier this week, is you can add by place value. So you can add the hundreds first. So here we have 100 and 600. So we can add those together. We get 700. 100 plus 600 is 700. Then we add our tens. We have 90 plus 80. So we have 9 tens plus 8 tens. 9 plus 8, 17. We have 17 tens. Then we can add our zeros, or our ones, excuse me. We can add our ones, but we don't have any ones. So now we can add our hundreds and our tens. And it looks like we had 10 tens and we got another 100. So we can add that 100 to 700. So 100 plus 700 is 800. And then we have 70. We have 7 tens left. Add those. 800 plus 70 is 870. So 190 plus 680 is 870.